Number 5 in density day 2, 95.46. What's the mass of the sand? What are we going to have to find together? The volume. Okay, we're going to have to find the volume of the sand here that we put in. All right, let's do that up top now. You got a volume sheet in the back. That's a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. 14, volume of a cylinder. Use your formula sheet. It's on there. That drives me nuts. If you have a formula sheet on Friday, which you will, use it. Here we go. Easy when we have it right in front of us. Stop. Stop. Density, 95.46 pounds per what? Cubic foot. Look at the diagram. Do they match? No, so we need to change it now. I can't calculate it with inches. Everyone see that? Come on now. I need to make sure my density units match my object, which they do not. This is feet, that's inches. So I need your help. What is 20 inches in feet? What is 18 inches in feet? 12 inches in a foot, if anybody didn't know. Start with the 18 inches. That's how many feet? 18 inches. How many feet? 18. Well, good. 1.5 feet here. 20 inches. Leave it as a fraction for me, please. I don't want to write out a long repeating decimal. So hit your math button, change it back to a fraction. What's 20 inches going to be in feet? Feet. Let's go 10. Good, 5/3. Okay, I don't want 1.6666. Just leave it 5/3. Okay, got to be disciplined, right? Be disciplined. Make sure your density matches the object first. All right, now let's go to town. Volume equals pi. R for radius. Somebody let me know what you're doing to find the radius. 12. What are we doing to find the radius here? Is that the diameter? Where's the diameter? That's the height, right? 5/3 divided by 2. Yep, go ahead, everyone. 5/3 divided by 2. Leave it as a fraction still. What's the radius when you get it? 5/3 divided by 2. 6? 5, 6. So that goes in for the radius. Woo! Times the height, which is your 1.5. Everyone's all right? Write it all out. We're certainly not done with the problem yet. 3.272492347 cubic feet. Now we can find how heavy the sand is, right? We can find how heavy the sand is. So I'm going to take this number, put it in for my volume. Let's see how heavy the sand is. Woo! 312.3921194. Does that look all right, everyone? Okay. So that's how heavy the sand is. Add it to 270. We're done. You told me at the beginning, take the 270 it weighs, add it to how much the sand weighs. That's how much the sand weighs. But there's one thing we're not reading, right? This is how much the sand weighs if I filled up the entire base. Right? I fill up the entire base. That's how much the sand weighs. Am I filling up the entire base? Nope, I'm only filling up 85% of it. So I need to take my mass. How do I figure out what 85% of that's going to be? Emma? There you go. So mass of the sand is going to be 0.85 times this bad boy right here. And that is how much the sand will weigh that I'm putting in. Change in units, 85% of it. George, it's no joke, huh?
Yeah.
Is there a 1.6 at the end, or is that just pounds on my paper? Or does it end at 0 on yours? The mass here? 5333015. Okay. And then now we're good to finish the problem. Total weight 270 without the sand plus 265 and change with it. And it's asking me to round to the nearest whole pound. $536 lbs, like we like to say on the street. How do we feel about that, huh? I don't want to say it's good news. You want to know something about that problem?
It's a Regents problem.
It was an old Regents problem. Yep. That's what we're in for. Same like the snow cone problem last night with the shaved ice. That was an old Regents problem. Yep. Okay. So this is what we're looking at in a couple weeks.
Okay.
All right, I'm done. I would maybe watch the video if you weren't here yesterday. Feel free to move around and work with other people, but better be on density. This stuff's no joke, and I want Chromebooks open to my answer key, please, tonight. You will not see work tonight. You're just going to see number 2 is this answer, and we're done. Okay? If you can't get to that answer, call me over and let's roll. All right, let's go. Your assignment tonight is to finish the rest of the density questions there.